Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Apple Pie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to start reading and understanding of this beautiful poem. Before this, in your Unit 4, Lecture 6, I have taught you to read aloud words with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. So whenever beta we are reading, we should try to read with proper pronunciation, and we are trying to do it by reading. So we are going to learn further to read aloud words with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation and provide the missing letter in simple 1 or 2 syllable words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 13, so which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us, which of the favors will you deny? Will you say no? So, in fact, the message of this word is, the message of this verse is that Allah has blessed us with so many favors that we cannot deny. Alhamdulillah for everything. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will not deny anything. Alhamdulillah for everything. Everything. So, and better in today's unit, we will find a fruit which is very famous and very delicious fruit. So thank you Allah for that delicious fruit as well. Okay. So first you tell me, name your favorite fruits, whatever you like. And have you ever eaten a pie? How does it taste? If you have eaten a pie, how does? So first you tell your favorite fruits and then answer rest of the questions. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have mentioned your favorite fruits, and did you say Alhamdulillah for every fruit? Good job, very good. And how does a pie taste? Yes, it tastes sweet, yummy, yummy, sweet pie. And how do we make it? This is a poem about it. How do we make a pie? So let's watch it. It's a simple process. We make dough. Then you can watch it here, okay? This is dough. We make it. We set it for some time. Then we make slices of apple. We make apple slices and we season it with few things, like we mix it with few things, and then we spread the dough in a pan. You can see that we make it like we roll it and we place it in a pan. We put apple slices over it and then we bake it for some time, and yummy, yummy, delicious apple pie is ready to eat. Okay, this is the process. Now let's see what has the poem tells about it. All of you open this page and let's read from the very first bit of, listen carefully. We are going to enjoy reading and after me you will read it. Okay, so here we go. Apples, apples, crispy, crunchy, juicy, sweet, mighty, munchy. So here we are finding how apple is. It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's sweet, it's juicy, and it's munchy, right? Climbing, climbing up so high to pick some apples for pie. So from where we get apples for pie? From apple tree. twist them, turn them, pick them quick. Pulling hard will do the trick. So how do we pick the apple? Like we twist them, we turn them and pick them from the tree. Our basket's full, so off we go. To slice the apples, roll the dough. So here the apple pie process starts. How do we do? Like we make the slices of apples and we roll the dough. What's next? Our basket full, so off we go to slice the apples, roll the dough. Before proceeding, tell me, which fruit do we need for baking pie according to the poem? Which pie we are going to make? It's very easy. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, we need apple because it's apple pie. All right. So add some sugar, spices too, a pinch of cinnamon, that will do. So what we are going to do? Like we have made the slices of apple, we will add some sugar and a pinch of cinnamon is better. It's a type of spice. So we will grind it and we take a pinch of its powder to sprinkle on the slices of apple. Bake it till it's done. Apple pie, yum, yum, yum. So we bake it and we eat it and we enjoy eating it. And what we say? We say Alhamdulillah to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us such blessings. So this is all about the reading. Now it's your turn. You will read it, activity time. And during this activity, you will read this poem. Teacher, kindly make the children to read the poem with proper expressions and with accuracy in pronunciation. So every child is going to read. Pause the video, enjoy reading the poem, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. All right. So next activity for today is, beta, here are few words. On page number 43, question 2. That's here. And what this question is, write the missing letters in the given words. So you are given words. Teacher has given you words. You are going to complete the spellings. How do we do it? So I take the first word, that's here. You can easily find out which this word is. It's apple. Now look at the spellings, which sound is, first you will find out which sound is missing. When we say apple, we listen a, p, l sound. So the sound l is missing. That's not here. Apple. And which letter makes l sound? Is letter L. So what is the missing letter? L means letter L. You will write L here. It becomes a complete word, apple. Right? So beta, this is how we write spellings. We need not to memorize it. Just say the word, find out the sounds and the sound which is there in the word, but that's not appearing in the word. That is the missing letter. This is how we complete it. All right. So let's practice the next word as well. Look at this. We have just read it in poem. It is crunchy. So which sounds are there? Crunch. But ch, for ch sound, it's a digraph. We have learned it. Digraph ch. Which digraph it makes this sound? It's ch. Good. Ch as it in lunch, in bench, crunch, crunchy. So which letter is missing? To make it ch sound, we need to place a c. Yes, good. So now it becomes ch and y, chi, crunchy. Right? So likewise, you are going to complete the spelling of every word. Say the word, find the missing sound, and write the word which makes that sound to make the words complete. Okay, so pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. So it's time for your homework. Recite the poem Apple Pie with actions, record a video, and share it with your teacher. Okay, so enjoy reading this poem and make a video. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you are going to complete these spellings the way I just taught you. So what we have learned today? We learned to read aloud with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation, and we also learned to provide missing letters in words. So we achieved our SLOs. Read aloud words with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation and provide missing letters in simple 1 or 2 syllable words. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.